let's talk about this Fidget Cube. What is it?
It's a fidget cube.
Show me.
It's a cube that you fidget with. I have no idea what this one does though.
Yeah,
Buttons.
you were right there. So why did you get
Buttons
it?
or ball? Because my fingers are like twitching a lot and stuff.
And so is it your way to what?
Calm down, I guess.
Calm down.
Stress. Helps stress.
You feel like you get stressed out in third grade?
Yes, sometimes if I really don't know the answer to a question, I'd just be like,
Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all.
and that's really it. That's all it's about.